Doxing is the act of revealing, identifying information about someone online, such as their real name, home address, workplace, phone, financial, and other personal information. That information is then circulated to the public without the victim's permission. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. In today's digital age, where personal information is rapidly available online, the consequences of doxing can be severe. Even if someone uses their real name on social media, they may still have aspects of their life they wish to keep private, such as their home address, phone number, or financial information. Doxing exposes individuals to various risks, including identity theft, harassment, stalking, and even physical harm. Given the broader scope of doxing is contemporary times, it's crucial for individuals to be mindful of the information they share online and to take steps to protect their privacy. This includes carefully managing privacy settings on social media platforms, being cautious about sharing personal details publicly, and regularly reviewing and removing unnecessary personal information from online profiles. Additionally, platforms and authorities need to continue implementing measures to prevent and address instances of doxing to ensure the safety and security of users in the digital realm. The term doxing has indeed expanded beyond its origins in hacker culture and now encompasses the exposure of personal information regardless of the context in which it occurs. With the widespread use of social media platforms where individuals often use their real names and share personal details publicly, the focus of doxing has shifted from unmasking anonymous users to revealing private information about identifiable individuals. To combat the use of doxing in driving cybercrime, it's crucial for individuals to be vigilant about protecting their personal information online and for organizations to implement robust security measures to safeguard sensitive data. Additionally, law enforcement agencies and policymakers need to address cybercrime and enact laws and regulations to deter and punish offenders. Let's look into today's headlines. LinkedIn testing $99 monthly premium business page for SMEs. For small to medium sized organizations, LinkedIn, the professional networking platform, is piloting a new service that offers AI powered content production for as much as $99, which is 7,400 rupees for each month. The premium business page seeks to improve profiles and increase the amount of followers. This action is consistent with LinkedIn's plan to broaden its business model in an effort to maximize value. Snapchat will watermark photos produced by AI. Snapchat revealed intentions to improve transparency by including watermarks in AI generated photos. Images produced with the help of the platform's Dreams feature and My AI chatbot will bear the watermark, which is the Snapchat Ghost logo paired with a sparkling emblem representing AI. This action is consistent with Snap's dedication to openness in AI powered content, which has been a focus of the company since 2015. Microsoft introduces Vasa One, an AI video model designed for hyper-realistic content. Microsoft has unveiled Vasa One, an AI video model that can provide extremely lifelike visuals. This advancement came after Microsoft's continuous AI technology initiatives like the release of the OneNote software for Apple Vision Pro, which allowed for the use of a virtual keyboard and hands-free note-taking. Microsoft is also optimistic about the Surface Pro 10 and Surface Laptop 6 performance. Meta brings in most intelligent AI assistant for free. Meta announced a new open source Llama language model that powers an enhanced AI assistant. It asserted that the new AI is quicker and wiser because it is built on Llama 3. According to Mark Zuckerberg, it's the most intelligent AI assistant that is offered for free. Because Llama 3 is open source, developers can modify it, and Meta will include such enhancements into upcoming releases. Ranveer Singh's deepfake video attacking the government goes viral. Social media users are spreading a rumored video purporting to show Bollywood star Ranveer Singh criticizing Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and appearing to support the Indian National Congress. Ranveer Singh complimented Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the original video. An AI voice clone was deployed in the video to give the impression that he was endorsing the Congress. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.